Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add two video transitions to your videos on CapCut PC. So split your video where you want the video transition to be, and then make sure this line stays there, okay? Then you're going to add in the first video transition that you want to add. For instance, this one, and just add it to the video. You can review it first. If you don't like it, then don't use it, but you can review that first. Then you have to go back to that middle part where the video transition is. Select both videos, right click, create compound clip. Then you're going to want to split it in half again and add in the second video transition. That's it. You have two video transitions, as you can see. You have the glitch one and wait, is that the glitch? I don't know what I put. I think I put stretch. Yeah, I put in the stretch and the pull in video transition to my video. So I currently have two video transitions, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to see from using another video transition. What about this one? Kind of similar, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!